added the meal plan on here. I added a gratitude section, whether I took my vitamins, my mood, my water, how was my health. Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got from Amazon. Today is just going to be a simple unboxing, and I'm going to give you a breakdown of kind of my plan of how I'm going to use this new planner. So first, let me show you. I got the Happy Planner. So I got a new one of these. I do still have my old one. Let's see. All right, so I got a 12-month one. I think this is a little bit different than the one that I have now. The one that I have now is a teacher planner. How am I supposed to get this off of here?
A few moments later. 3 days later.
Well, that's one way. Some people say to save these. I'll probably save it to make a stencil out of it in case I want to put any other inserts in here. Yay, it says 2024. This is so cute. Of course, it's butterflies, and I love me some butterflies. Oh, this is so pretty. All right, let's not rip this. And I got this like a month ago, but I haven't opened it because I wanted to open it with you guys. It has the year spread. Oh, it's got 2024 and 2025 in there. And then I usually put birthdays and important events in the yearly spread there. And it has right here your January goals. Oh, so I can start that now. This is cute. May you learn to grow, to swim, to fly. Okay, and it has the month. And this is a horizontal planner. So what I think I'm going to do is combine the planner that I have now, which is my teacher planner, and this one, because what I'm going to do with this one is plan my YouTube content. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm also going to put in some inserts. So I bought this as well. This is inserts I also got from Amazon. I got all this stuff from Amazon. My weeks. Okay, let's see. Yes, so these are kind of weekly / daily inserts. My idea with this is to use these for work. Some people say not to combine work and everything else, but I like to have everything in one place. It just makes it easier for me when I want to reference everything all in one place, and I can carry this one thing around with me. So I'm going to make sure I set these weeks up in here. This is awesome because I can see daily and I can see the whole week at one time. So what I was using, which might be a little hard for me to decide, I'm going to try to use these first. What I was using, my own inserts. So the only thing that I kept from this template that I got, I don't know, something's on there. The only thing that I kept from this template that I got was the boxes. So I changed literally everything else. I do have some videos where I explained this before, but I changed a few things. I added the meal plan on here. I added a gratitude section, whether I took my vitamins, my mood, my water, how was my health. And then I have here how many subscribers for the day, my work home priorities, whether I did any overtime, and a note to plan tomorrow. Then there's a note section here. And there's a section right here I made for myself to remember to check yesterday's plans so that if I didn't get something done yesterday, I can do it today. Here, there's a date and a location. Sometimes I work from home, sometimes I work in the office. So I like to notate that there in case I need to look back to see what I did. So I just printed off some of these. I'm still deciding, whether I like this better or whether I will like these. I'll probably try each for 6 months. But either way, I like the breakdown of the daily hours so that I can look really quickly early in the morning what I have planned for the day. And then I bought these inserts too. I got all of these on Black Friday, so everything had a pretty good sale, especially the Happy Planner. And these are just some blank pages. Of course, I'm not going to put the whole thing in there at once, but this is great for me for when I want to do a brain dump or I need to make any special notes, a to-do list, whatever I need. The only thing that I'm missing is a habit tracker. So I have a tracker that I just printed out in here. But I want to make sure I include a tracker. They did have tracker inserts that I'm thinking about getting. I did not purchase one of those yet. The last thing that I got were these expander discs. That way I can put all these together and it'll actually fit. Because right now I'm only able to put a couple months in the planner that I have because I made my own inserts. I like to do what works for me. So sometimes that means making my own sheets. But now this means everything that I want to fit in one, I can use now. I've never done this before, and I'm a little afraid how this is gonna work. Let me see if I can, no. Let's see. Maybe I should do month by month. I went to the store and I was able to find some sales on the Happy Planner stickers. Oh, I think this is for a bigger one, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work for us. So let's see. So is this the way to do this? I think once I get some sturdy ones in here, that'll help. All right, so let me first plan how I want these to look, where I want the weeks to go. Then I'll come back and show you the final result. Okay, so that's all on there. I think it's gonna take some time for it to get used to the changes of the pages. I didn't even see that they gave me a sample of the Happy Tracker that you can buy and a password tracker. I need one of those, but that's cool that they give you samples of the other inserts that they have. So I'm gonna try that for this month. I'm gonna try this Happy Tracker. So I think I'm gonna do is keep the Franken plan, like I said. So keep this one for work activities. We'll come back and show you guys my goals. That's gonna tie into how I use my planner. So let me put the back in here. This is my chore chart. So I'm gonna put that in here right before the other planner, and I gotta get the back. I gotta finish setting this up. I'll put in the remaining months. I think you only get 6 months worth of these. Pretty sure you only get 6 months worth of those. But that'll be good for me to practice and see if I like doing it this way, or if I want to go, sheesh Louise, or if I want to go a different route. But I love this. This is so pretty. Let me show you the stickers that I got. So I got 2 new Happy Planner sticker books for the price of 1. I got these from Michael's. Like I said, it was on Black Friday. So one is for bills, which I had to get. It took me forever to decide which ones I wanted, but I had to get the bill one. So there's one for account balances, cute little budget ones, know your worth, save today, spend tomorrow, some motivational quotes, don't forget, paid. I love these boxes. I love the boxes. Savings, transfer, so just little notes for yourself. Eating out, how much you spent if you want to track that. These are perfect. Cars, maybe we want to put in when your car notes due, when you need to go grocery shopping, when you got gas. I like this. Weekly spending, so if I want to track that, I can do that too. This is going to be good for my budget calendar. So there's that, and then there's another one. This one is called the Homebody. And I just like these because they were so pretty. Big plans, weekend at home. They're so pretty. I like these too. The appointment, and you can put in what time it is. These boxes were cute. So I'm probably gonna incorporate my old Happy Planner with the new Happy Planner, including the teacher boxes, so I can use that as well. I just want to use everything that I have because I paid for it, so I might as well use it. So I'll figure out a way to combine everything. To me, the important things are work, my home chores, my meal plan, and my YouTube content. So all of those have to be married together. And then I got some stickers from the Dollar Tree. I had another one of these sticker books, but I couldn't find it. And so when I was checking out the other day, I saw these and I'm like, I'm getting all of them because they're hard to find. So I got this little sticker book from the Dollar Tree. Oh no. Oh, I thought it was missing a sticker. It's just a white sticker. But there's more in here. These are all from Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe them. So I'm like, nope, I'm getting all of them. They're hard to find. Some llamas, some unicorns. I don't know if I'm going to use all of these, but there were some that I really liked. Like I like the hands. That's cute. And there's a butterfly. So if you see these were at the checkout line. Go and get them. Because they're cute. Oh my God, these look similar. Oh, but it's not. They look similar, so I probably didn't need to buy both of these, but I did. They're different. Is this the one I showed already? No. Good time, smile. So when I want to decorate either my budget calendar, my work calendar, or my home calendar, it just kind of motivates me to keep using it. It just makes it cute, and I always get compliments too when I'm at work, when it's all set up and organized and cute and pretty. That's it for me today. I just wanted to show you my setup. I haven't showed you yet my goals. I will. I did finally figure them all out. You guys know that I am planning quarterly for goals, for my budget, for everything. So I'm going to show you, I'll show you me getting ready for the quarter. Oh, here are the tracker sheets that I printed out. I printed it at 80%. One of you guys told me to do that, so thank you. So I can cut these and put them into the Happy Planner if I would like to, which I probably will instead of having to buy the habit trackers. I don't know. We'll see. But we are ready for 2024. We are so ready. I just have to plan January. As far as an event, you can already see that I started it. I did not decorate it yet, but I will do that. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have your planner for the year and you're ready to get set up. If you combine work and home or everything else that you need to, it's just easier for my brain to have everything in one spot. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember, it's about progression and not about perfection, even when it comes to planning and being productive and getting everything together that you need to do. Thanks for watching. Happy saving, everybody. Bye.